My name is Attorney Michael Young. I'm an Illinois DUI traffic law attorney, and I want to talk to you about how to get your license back if you had an out-of-state DUI. In Illinois, if you had a DUI in Illinois, you typically get court supervision on your first DUI. Court supervision is not a conviction. If you have an out-of-state DUI, it's your first DUI. Out-of-state, Wisconsin, Indiana, so forth, they don't have court supervision. They give you a conviction. And when they send the conviction to Illinois, Illinois suspends your driver's license for a period of 1 year. So it's real important that sometimes people hire me before they enter a plea in another state, because a lot of times the other state doesn't, the other jurisdiction doesn't realize that you're going to be suspended or actually revoked in Illinois for a year, and the client doesn't understand that either. They talk to their Indiana or Wisconsin attorney and they say, hey, you should be good, but you're not. You're revoked. So how do you get your license back? Well, if you have a revocation based upon one out-of-state DUI, you need to have what's called an informal hearing. There's two types of hearing. There's formal and informal. A formal hearing is if you have 2 or more DUIs, and there's an attorney in the room trying to stop you from getting your license and so forth. But with an informal hearing, it's not as, well, formal, if you will. Nevertheless, there is an issue of having an attorney. I think it's important to have an attorney. Now, true, I'm an attorney and this is what I do, but after 19 years of doing these hearings, I know that people should not go in alone. I know it's not fun paying an attorney, I got it. But if you go in alone, there's a huge likelihood that things are going to get so messed up that you're going to go backwards rather than forwards. I tell a lot of clients it's like pouring cement. If you want to pour a cement patio in your backyard and you say, what I'm going to do is this, I'm going to pour the cement myself, I'm going to try to make it nice, and if I can't, I'm going to call someone to fix it. Well, the problem is the cement hardens, and when the person comes to fix it, they're like, gee, I wish I was here before, but now it's all dried and I have to deal with it's a bigger problem. So it's always best to start off with an attorney, and you need to find a competent attorney. But in any event, with the informal hearing, you go to one hearing, and it takes about a half hour, the hearing process. There's a hearing officer in the room, and you're asked a series of questions. And a lot of these questions, if you answer the questions wrong, you get denied. And then you have to go back to the drug alcohol evaluator and so forth. So it's best to do it right the first time. But if you had an out-of-state DUI, you need an informal hearing with the Illinois Secretary of State. If you have any further questions, please call me. My name is Michael Young, 708-410-0090. Or my website, winwithyoung.com. Thank you.